Hello there, lovelies. Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And today we are jumping into a fall wig review featuring the Outre Melted Hairline collection. Today I'm going to be trying out Miss Amanda. And you guys, I actually picked her up in the wrong color, but I definitely think that she still served. So you guys, let's go ahead and unbox her. And look at those beautiful golden highlights. Like, she definitely reminds me of the leaves changing. And I actually was supposed to get the color on the stock card, so I may actually go back and order her again, but I did pick her up in the shade Creamy Toffee. So you guys let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this color and if we should try to reorder her in the color on the stock card. Alright y'all, so I was a little disappointed because I thought we were going to get a full like closure lace frontal piece in the middle. The wig just does come with a curved side part. So you do have a little bit of limitation when it comes to the styling with this unit, but you can always pull the wig back. She does come with two combs by the temple area, a comb in the nape section, as well as adjustable straps. And of course, I love the elastic band. Now this one was a little loose filling, so I definitely would say you probably would have to use those adjustable straps some just to make sure that the wig is nice and secure. But I do like the pre-plucked hairline. Now they do give us baby hairs on the lace as well, and you guys, I do like the quality of the lace. Like, you're easily able to see my hand right underneath the lace, and I love how soft it is as well. I really do like the curls on this unit. I'm definitely going to finger or comb coil those out. But you guys, let's go ahead and jump into this install, okay? So to install my wig today, I'm going to be using the Even Medium Dark Lace Tinting Spray. This has literally been my go-to favorite spray for an easy application. And it just dries so effortlessly. And I love that you really can't overdo it with this product either. And after I spray on the tint spray, I always like to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that I have the spray nice and dry and it won't have any residue. And today, you guys, you know, I'm making bold moves and I'm switching it up a little bit, trying the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Now, I didn't actually use the Bold Hold in this video to apply my wig. I just used it to smooth back my edges, just to see if I could get a nice hold. And I'm using my blow dryer on a warm to cool setting to smooth back my edges. And I really can say I did like how my edges were nice and smooth and out the way with this product. So I don't know, we may have to give this product a try for actually melting my wig. So you guys let me know in the comments below if you've actually tried the Bold Hold. Alright y'all, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut off my ear tabs so that way they will be out the way. And I did use some silver duckbill clips to get the hair out of the hairline out of the way so we don't have any mistakes. And I did get that tip from Think of Pink here on YouTube. Like, that is just so genius, so you don't have to worry about any flyaways. And I like to cut my lace into 3 sections. So I do one cut by one temple, and then I make another cut on the other temple so that way I'm able to maneuver the lace. Now you guys, today I'm trying out the Even Melt Lace Spray. I'm definitely going to leave it in the description box down below. This was my first time using this product, and as you can see, it gets a little messy. But I didn't really like how runny the product was. And thank God I did not get any in my eye, y'all, because as you can see, this product, she is running, sis, okay? But I did go back over the product with the Even Freeze Spray in the Extreme Super Hold. You guys know this is my go-to spray. I love using this product. It dries so quickly, and I like how I'm better able to control the spray than the liquid melt. And after I have applied about 2 layers of that, I like to go in with my blow dryer on a cool to warm setting, and then I apply my lace. And you guys, I like to press in my lace with a comb, and as you guys can see, I had to switch it up. So get you one of those sturdy rat tail combs, not the little cute ones, because as you guys can see, when you applying that pressure busts pipes, okay, period. But anyways, here I'm just pressing the lace into my skin, getting everything in place, and I did go back in with my blow dryer again on warm, then a cool setting to start the melting process. And I like to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I actually like to apply my melt band. And I'm going to have my melt band on for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to come back and further get into this install. Alright, y'all, so now it's been 15 minutes and we're getting that melt band off, and as you can see, that lace is stuck, honey, okay? She is not going anywhere. So now I like to use a eyebrow razor just to cut off the bulk of the lace and start to get the lace ready to be customized. And once I have gotten all the bulk of the lace off, I like to go in with some tiny nail scissors to go in and make some detailed cuts to get as much lace off as possible, but still leaving enough to be able to easily reapply the wig again. So I'm just doing up and down motions or creating a zigzag pattern, so that way the lace will blend in a lot more easily into my skin tone. And if you guys are worried about the lightness of it, you can always go back in with some foundation powder to kind of tint the lace more into your skin. So now it's time for one of my favorite parts. We're going to do some baby hairs. Now, I didn't do a lot because of the way this wig is styled. The side swoop pretty much does cover the whole forehead. So I'm pretty much just focusing my baby hairs or edges on the side that doesn't have the side swoop. I can't remember if it's right or left, but so here I'm just using the black styling gel from Got To Be. Alright, y'all, so now we are going to be applying our hair wax. This is the Shiso Balm hair wax, and I'm using my hot comb. I believe it's on 250 to 300 to press out the top of the wig. And you guys, this is just a game changer. Like, if you're not using a hot comb, sis, and you are wearing wigs, what are you doing? Like, it just makes everything look so much more natural. As you can see, my wig is flat, honey, as if it's growing out of my scalp. You can't tell me she's not growing out of my scalp, okay? And last but not least, I'm going in with my concealer. I believe this is in the shade Chestnut, my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm applying that in the part, and I like to smudge it out with my fingers so that way it doesn't look super duper defined. And that's pretty much it for my install process today. So here are the final results of Miss Amanda. She is giving dinner date. She is getting Miss CEO, boss lady vibes. Like, I definitely would say this is a everyday go-to wig if you are working in the office or if you're working virtually online. I really do love how this wig was easy to install. I love the highlights on this wig as well as the density. The lace was super duper easy to blend into my skin and melt. You guys, I really think I am going to try picking up that other color just so we can see what she looks like. But you guys, let me know down below in the comments if you tried Miss Amanda yourself or if you would. I would definitely give this wig, she's getting a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, I'm definitely loving her. And also, if you did not want to do baby hairs, you didn't have to. Like, the lace is like that, y'all. So definitely make sure you check out the Outre Amanda Melted Hairline wig from this collection. And as always, you guys, You know, let me know what you thought about this wig. Drop me a comment down below. Share this video with your friends so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first